Believing in manifestation or not is your decision. Most people will not even bother to apply concepts and will jump from one video to the other like an addict. I'm here to share what I understand about manifestation and what feels right. I do not have a magic formula. I offer honesty and trying to figure things out the way you do. I'm still testing ideas constantly and I'm still learning. I spent over a decade exploring manifestation and how it affects our reality. I found this topic so exciting and so intriguing. Every insight you hear is the result of deep thought and intentional creation designed to help you succeed. So let's start. Like you, I have spent thousands of hours trying to understand how manifestation really works. Here is my honest opinion. If someone truly believes it will work in a specific way, it probably will. It's deeply personal. There is no universal formula. It's all rooted in belief. Now, based on my own experience and observation, I don't believe that simply acting as if something is already true is accurate. Everyone says act as if, but when your reality shows you otherwise, doubt creeps in. The mind can't be tricked that easily. Here is what makes sense to me step by step. Step 1. Decide exactly what you want. The goal must be crystal clear. Step 2. Set the parameters. For example, I become wealthy and everyone around me is healthy and happy. You want the best outcome for everyone involved. Step 3. Make a firm decision that it will happen. This is more than just choosing a desire, it's committing to it without doubt. Step 4. Set a deadline. When do you want this to manifest? Trust your instincts. Your instincts will tell you when is the right timing. Step 5. After making the decision, release, let it go. Trust the universe and surrender completely. Allow it to unfold in the best possible way. Step 6. Think often about what you want, but not with desperation or need. Think about it with certainty. Know it will happen, even if you don't know how. Step 7. The universe will test you right before the breakthrough. It will try to shake your faith. That's when you need to stand firm and double down. For me, I say out loud, I do not accept this negative answer. What I want will happen. You must be persistent. Speak with authority. Command your reality. This is what I think is the key. If the universe challenges you by delaying it or giving you setbacks, you should challenge it back with clarity and force. This is based on my own beliefs as to how manifestation works and my own understanding. And after years of searching, no one can truly convince me otherwise. It's just that until recently, I couldn't put it into words. Now, of course, everyone's journey is different, and you need to allow it to happen the way it feels right for you. Comment, like, and subscribe for more interesting videos like this.